Just got my ANC 107 smartwatch. Gonna open up and see how it is. As you can see, it has a large screen, 1.83 inches. This is great for me, I don't have the best vision. Has a lot of features. Track your heart rate, blood pressure, activity, all the good stuff. But my favorite part is that it's waterproof. There are 120 plus sports modes to choose from, but that's not all. It has a drink water reminder feature, find phone, relax, and music control. The watch can receive messages and calls. Oh, look at that, someone is calling me. This smartwatch has everything and more.